Hey there, champions. Are you ready to level up your game with the girls? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're discussing into the topics to get a girlfriend and make women choose you. We'll be sharing some powerful tips and strategies that will transform your dating life. So, buckle up, grab a notebook, and let's get started. The most easiest method to creating sexual tension with a girl you adore is to tease her. Start making frequent fun of girls. For instance, if a girl mentions that she enjoys cats, you may respond, "Wait, you're a cat lady? What number of cats do you own?" We won't work out if the number is higher than 9. She feels a tremendous amount of ecstatic relief in the single second it takes her to realize you're only teasing her, not disparaging her. If you're fortunate, that emotion is often accompanied with laughing and even a punch in the arm. The more you tease women and give them that temporary high of stress alleviation, the more attracted they'll be to you, since it subconsciously conveys to them that your genes are awesome. It demonstrates to her that you aren't scared to face opposition and that she can trust you to uphold your principles and speak the truth. You're not a pushover, you're a protector. When you maintain your beliefs and stop pretending to agree with women in order to appease them constantly, you'll automatically encounter opportunities for teasing. Always keep an eye out for humorous or charming things she says or does, so you may point them out. Make her notice you. Dress and accessorize in ways that draw attention from women and spark discussions. Start with leather coats, jewelry, and well-fitted suits. You can even consider getting the tattoo you've always wanted. Anything you can do to stand out from the crowd and get the attention of more women will do wonders for your appeal. Work on becoming a high-value man. The journey of becoming a high-value man takes a lifetime, but you can begin right now by altering your perspective, improving your physical condition, raising your earning potential, and educating yourself. Begin going to the gym. Start devouring some good literature. Start enjoying some top-notch podcasts. To put it another way, start really leveling up to become the strongest men you can be. However, you don't have to be totally successful in any of these to begin dating. You're on the correct road as long as you're starting, working hard, and having a strategy for the future. But a word of advice: never allow women to get in the way of your own development as a man. You have to keep moving ahead as a man and strive to be the finest version of yourself that you can be. Always put it as your first priority. However, you'll discover that all of this self-improvement will provide you a significant advantage on the dating scene as your dating marketplace worth rises. Know what women want in a man. Women naturally desire a man who can offer them these sensations if they want to feel lovely without letting it rule their personality, be heard, and be respected. That entails learning how to compliment ladies just enough and mastering the perfect questions to keep them interested. For this phase, you'll be doing very well if you add a little charm and wit. Get out there and meet people. You must dedicate time to this endeavor if you are prepared to discover love. Men often make the mistake of waiting for someone to approach them. But you need to go out and meet new people if you're looking to find someone special. Getting involved in a group or picking up a new pastime can help you meet individuals who share your interests. Alternately, position yourself in areas where you may start a discussion, like a coffee shop. It could be advisable to start by concentrating on meeting people in general rather than a relationship specifically. This might lessen the strain you feel while trying to meet women. A single-minded concentration on how to get a girl might result in awkward behaviors and put too much pressure on you. If you find value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our future content.